Students, good morning to you all and welcome to science class. In today's class, we're going to see new unit. Unit 3, force. Take page number 93. Force. What do you mean by force? Physical strength, power is known as force. Okay, Mama. Force means physical strength or power is known as force. Below, they have given learning objectives. In previous class itself, I have told you. By the end of the lesson, you came to know learning objective points and all clearly. For that purpose only, learning objective is given. See, after learning these lessons, students will be able to, what they have said at the end of the lesson, students able to know these points. What are all they? Define movements and action. Okay, define how, what is movement and action. Next, define force. You will understand about movement, action, force. Know different types of forces. Okay, you came to know at the end of the lesson different types of forces. Know the force of friction. Okay, mama. Next, understand the need and significance of frictional force. These and all you will came to know at the end of the lesson. This was the main aim of the lesson. So only each and every lesson the learning objective is given. Okay, mama. Now look at down 3.1, simple movements and actions. In our daily life, we do different actions such as pushing, pulling, twisting and turning. By doing these actions, we move or change the shape of an object. What they have given in our daily life, we will do different actions. Okay, like what are and all? Pushing, pulling, twisting and turning. Okay, these will make an object to change its shape. Okay, mama, or move. It is known as action. That is given here. First point, change in position of an object is called movement. What they have told, change in the position of an object is called movement. What they have said means, if a object position is changed, means that is same as movement. Object position is changed means that is known as movement. Action is the motion. Okay, action means we are doing, no, that is action. Motion means also same meaning, ma. Motion means moving, that is say as motion, which gives the required result. Okay, required result means what we want. Okay, தேவையான. Okay, mama. Next, let us look at the pictures below to understand the movement and the action better. What they have given above about movement and action. For that, they have given two examples below as a picture. First one, the player hits the ball with hockey sticks. Okay, you can see in a picture. Next, boys are riding bicycle. Okay, mama. Below it, down itself, they have asked a question. In the above picture, what moves? What are and all moving, ma? The ball is moving. Okay. Next, the cycle is moving. You can ask, the person also moving. No, in that sense, they have not said, but only for object only said. The change in position of an object is called only movement. Okay, mama. In here, we are going to see about object only. Okay, so what moves here? Ball. Next, bicycle. Okay, so you have to write in a first dash the ball. Next, the cycle. Okay, mama. What is the action? What we are doing? Hitting the ball. That is the action. Riding the cycle. Okay, that is the action. First one, hitting the ball. Okay, second one, riding this bicycle. This is the action. What moves here? The ball. Second one, the cycle. First, second question, what is the action? Hitting the ball, riding the bicycle. Okay, mama. This is answer. You have to write and send me. Next, motion. When an object or a thing moves from one place to another is said to be in motion. Okay, what is motion? Like this, they have clearly explained. I told you, no, the moving is known as motion. Here in right side corner they have given pendulum. Okay va, three ball like hanging no more, that is pendulum. Okay va, once we push the pendulum means it will move automatically for a long time, that is known as pendulum. That moving no position, that is say here motion. Okay mama, in this page movement means what? Change in position of an object is called movement. If a object position is changed means that is movement. Action means what? Action is the motion. Okay va, that is moving. That only gives the required result. Required result means what we want, that will happen by action only. Okay va. Next, motion means object or things moves from one place to another is said to be motion. The best example is pendulum. Here they have given three hanging ball, no, that is pendulum. Okay mama. Now we move on to page number 94. Let us speak. In picture, what are all they doing? See, first picture they were dancing for music. Next, a boy is running. Next, they were doing skipping in a third picture. Fourth picture, swimming. Next, fifth picture, fan is given. Okay mama. See, 3.2 force. Force is a push or a pull on an object which make it move, changes its shape, stops it from moving. What they have said, force have two type. What are all they? Push or pull on an object which make it move. If we push or a pull means the object position will be changed. No, that is said here. Changes its shape or stop it from moving. That is known as force. The force points are given. See, force involves an interaction between two or more objects. Force involves interaction between two or more objects. That is known as force. If we do to an object to move or pull, it is known as force. Force can lift or drop an object. We can lift or drop, that is known as object. Force means we are doing to an object, whether it is moving or pushing or pulling, it is known as force. Without force we can't move any object. Okay mama, it is correct only. No, without force we can't move any object. Object will move themselves or no, with the help of our force only it will move. So only they said without force we can't move any object. So force is very important. No, see, observe and discuss. They have given boys are playing football. Next, a girl is pushing tray. Okay va. Next, a boy takes water from a well. Okay mama, they have given, see, force sub point only push and pull. Okay va. 3.2 is force, that one. Next, inside sub point is push, so only they have given 3.2.1. Okay mama, look and say what kind of action do the pictures denote. Here all the picture shows pushing actions. Let us see. Yes, here the man is pushing the wheelchair. Next, a boy is pushing toys. Next, a man is pushing the car. Next, hand is pressing the bell, it is also pushing only. Okay mama, when a force is applied in the direction of an object it is called push. Simple ma. Force means what? If we move an object means that is force. Okay va. If we make an object to move, it is known as force. Force also have two types. One is push. Push means we are pushing, okay, in a front word, that is known as push. Next, now we move on to page number 95. Pull. Look and say what kind of action do the pictures say. See, in top corner itself, man try to open the door, it is pull. Okay va. They are pulling. Here they were pulling the luggages. A small boy pulling the cardboard box. Here also small by pulling the box. Okay, Vama, this is pull. Here all the pictures show pulling action. Pulling means what? When a force is applied in the direction of opposite to the direction of an object, it is said to called pull. Okay, va. Push means what we do means if object side we will push. Okay, va. Pull means opposite to the object we will take. Okay, that is known as pull. Push means object direction itself we are moving. Pull means opposite to the object direction we are moving. That is known as pull. Okay, Mama. Now here they have given an activity C. Put a tick mark for the pictures of motion. Motion means what? It is a moving thing only is said to be motion. I have told you no. Here a man is pulling the track. Okay, wow, that is known as here action is going on, so motion also goes. Okay, wow. Moving is here happened, so you have to put a tick mark for this. Next, there is a table, around that chair is there. Whether any moving action is going on there? No, so you have no need to put tick mark for it. Next, here a man writes a cause. Here action is going on, moving is going on, so you have to put tick mark. Okay, Mama. Next, a boy sleeps. Here any action is going on, any motion is going on? No, so you no need to put tick mark. Next, a boy, small boy is playing a ball. Here action, motion and moving and all going on, so you have to put tick mark. Nothing, ma. Motion means action, moving. Okay, these three have similar meaning only. Action, motion and changing. Okay, that is known as motion only. If anything happens here means you have to put tick mark. If anything is not happen, the object is on a rest place means you have to put cross mark, or you no need to put anything. Okay, Mama. For moving action put tick, for non-moving actions you leave blankly. Okay, wow. Next, classify the following: push or pull. You have to find and say. Activity is given here, 7 activities. You have to find and write whether it is a pull or push. Riding the bicycle was push. Okay, wow. It is going on object's direction only, no, so it is push. Moving the table towards you, it is pull. It is opposite to an object, no, so it is pull. Dragging the chair. Drag means what we'll do? Opposite to the chair only we will do, so it is pull. Moving a car to start. It is going a friend word based on an object, so it is push, ma. Opening the window, it is also push. Sixth one, stretching the rubber band. It is opposite to it, so it is pull. Okay, wow. Removing the shoelaces. It is opposite direction only, no, so it is pull. Okay, Mama. Now once again I going to recap you. Here take page number 93. Movement means what? Change in object position is known as movement. Action means what? Action, motion, moving, these and all similar only. Okay, Mama. Action is the motion which gives the required result. Okay, Mama. Next, motion means what? An object or a thing moves from one place to another. Object or a thing moves from one place to another is known as motion. Good example is pendulum. Now we move on to page number 94. Force means what? Force are two type, push or pull, which make it move. Okay, wow. Force is a push or a pull on an object which make it move, changes its shape or stop it from moving. Force means nothing, we will make an object to move, it is known as force. Force involves interaction between two or more objects. Force can lift or drop an object. Okay, Mama. We are doing to make a thing move, it is known as force. Without our force the object will not move by themselves. So without force, object will not move. That is said here. Next, push means what? Towards the object direction we are pushing is known as push. Next, page number 95. Pull means nothing. Opposite to the object direction we are pulling. That is known as pulling. Okay, va? Here are example given. Riding the bicycle is push. Moving the table towards you is pull. Dragging the chair, pull. Moving car to start is push. Opening the window is push. Stretching the rubber band is pull. Removing the shoelaces is pull. Okay, va ma'am? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, va? I hope you understand the class. We will meet on next class. Thank you, ma.